What's up, guys? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, guys, so today we're in Northwest Dallas. It's a beautiful ranch style property that we're going to be featuring today. It's actually one of our very own listings. We're about 15 minutes from Luffield Airport. We're 25 minutes to DFW Airport and only 20 minutes to downtown Dallas. But anyway, Sheila, give us more information on this one.
Yes, this is built in 1959. It's a 4 beds, 3.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,111 square feet. It's currently listed at $725,000, which is $233 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.32 acre lot, which is 13,900 square feet.
That is awesome. Thank you, Sheila, for that information. Remember, guys, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, you're looking to work with some real estate experts, we have over 10 years of experience. We're a #1 winning team, and you get 2 agents instead of 1. Enough about that. Let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your seller or buyer needs. Maybe you're looking to relocate. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh, Instagram channel, Sergio and Sheila. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
See you guys next time.